What's up guys, Zoe here and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial about how to create Instagram story highlight covers for your business in Canva. So let's start designing. As always, I'm going to be using a pre-made template or custom dimensions that Canva already produced. So we're going to search for Instagram story. I'm going to select a blank one this time. So now I want you guys to select a color for your background of the highlight that you're going to want. To pick a color that is already linked to your brand. Keep this consistent so your highlights look uniform. So you just click on the canvas, select this box right here with all the colors. I'm going to select orange since that's my logo. My logo has orange, so I'm going to stay at orange. Alright, then you need to think about the categories that you want to highlight as a business and the icons that would represent each highlight. So I want you guys to think about the important pages of our website, like the contact us page, the about us, the product page, testimonials, for example. Like all these things the customers want to know and get access to easily. Now you need to think of the icons that represent each category that you want to highlight. Alright, let me know in the comments below what highlight categories you come up with. Alright, let's continue. Alright, so after figuring out, you can either find your own icons and upload them to Canva, or you can just use the ones that are already in the app, or if you pay for the premium ones. So in order to find these icons, you have to go to Elements and you put in the search term for the icons that you have decided to use. Alright, so this first one I'm going to do is going to be for contact us. I'm going to search for phone. And let's see what comes up. Let's see, contact. Okay, alright. I'm going to use this icon as well as this one. So now you can change your color. I'm going to change this to white. Change this one to orange, black, and this one to white. I'm going to invert the colors for this. And here I'm going to make it white. Okay, so that's my contact us page. I'm going to duplicate it, and next I'm going to do location. So maybe I'm going to find a map. Okay, great. Alright, I'm going to use this one. It's orange, kind of goes well. But I'm going to just change the color to white. With these icons, you can change the color easily. That's a plus. And for this last one I'm going to do maybe a frequently asked question. So a question sign. And I like this one, this red one. And delete one behind. And I'm going to turn this white as well. So you guys get the gist. So all you need to do now is just download them. And Instagram can either download PNG or JPEG. So you just download that and then you upload them and share them to your stories. So hopefully this video was useful. Be sure to hit that like button down below if you want. And as always, thanks for watching.